So on natin. And here may speed. So speed number 1. So yun yung speed number 1. So pwedeng pause, pwedeng stop. Okay, 10 seconds or minutes until 99 minutes. So pwede siyang until 99 minutes. And then speed hanggang number 10. So try muna natin ang speed number 1. Okay, speed number 1. So that's the speed number 1. Speed number 2. Speed number 3. Speed number 4. Speed number 5. Speed number 6. Speed number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Pwede yung stop, off. All metal gear. 750 watts. Paano i-remove yung bowl? Okay, so unscrew para umangat. Okay. Then this one, counterclockwise. Ito yung bowl. Check natin kung gaano kabigat yung bowl itself. Okay. The bowl itself is almost 4.2 kilograms. So kasing bigat na to ng ibang mixer. Yung bowl pa lang niya. Imagine, this is already 4.3 kilograms. Siguro yung mga ordinary mixer na nasa market ngayon, ganito nakabigat. Ito palang bowl. So meron siyang blade. And yung pinaka hook. Dough hook. Ito yung kanyang net cover. Okay. So meron niyang parang switch na kapag nakataas hindi siya gagana or mag-stop. And itong blade naka-fix. Okay, pati yung dough hook. However, pwede mo siyang iangat kasi and malinisan to. And ang kinagandahan ito, sobrang ganda kapag yung bowl mo is nalilinisan mo. Ang bigat nito guys. Even this one. Ang bigat. Dalawang tao yung nagbuhat nito. Kasi nasa 4th floor ako. So this is spiral 10 liters. Yung bowl. Minimum flour around 1,250 grams. Or pag dough na is mga 2.5 kilograms. Yung dough minimum at least. Okay, again, for flour around 1.250 grams ng flour or 2.5 kilograms ng dough. Maximum is around 3.5 ng flour or around 7 to 7.5 kilograms ng dough. So maganda siya kasi perfect siya sa mga medyo medium to small size na mga bakery na gumagawa ng around 5 kilos lang ng dough. Especially if gumagawa kayo ng mga around 5 kilos lang ng dough per batch. So, saktong-sakto siya. Okay? Sobrang heavy niya. So, yung mixer pala guys, okay, sobrang bigat niya. Okay, hulaan nyo guys kung gaano siya kabigat. So, approximately, siguro mga times 3 to times 4 siya ng bigat ng mga regular na planetary mixer. Okay? So, ganun siya kabigat. This is around 41 kilograms. It's all metal gears. Kaya, sobrang solid nito. So, stay tuned for my videos. Pero, ngayon pa lang sobrang excited na akong gamitin yan.